Hello everybody, this is Ed. Thank the Lord for a beautiful day in January. Late January, it's almost February. And we're having a snow drought, which we love very much. My family does anyway, except for my son, he loves cold. But anyway, I promised all my friends on Facebook that I was going to do a drum video today. So here it is. And like I said, very little wind. It's probably about 40 degrees, maybe a little less. But there's no wind, that makes a big difference. And the sun's shining, so that helps too. I can feel the heat from the sun. But anyway, I got a 5-piece sound percussion kit here. I just bought some new Remo drum heads for this kit, white coated Emperors. And this kit came with our Kazarian cymbals. This is a 13-inch thin hi-hat, and right here we have a 16-inch thin crash. They're just your basic cymbals, nothing fancy or anything like that, but in time I'm going to get some really nice cymbals. Well, here I go, enough talk, and I hope you enjoy this little short drum video. I hope you like this little short drum, outdoor nature drum video. This is Ed. Everybody have a nice day. And to all my family and friends and all you Facebook people, God bless.